Hello everyone, welcome back. This is John, and today we have our hands on a Pokemon Shiny Fates Bulletin 10, and I'm excited. It's gonna be my first time opening one of these, I believe. Yeah, because in the past my wife and my son has been able to get their hands on opening some, so this is gonna be my first time personally opening one here. So let's get at it. Hopefully you guys are having hopefully you guys had a good Easter weekend. Just having fun with the family or whatever, your pets, whatnot, just having a good time. So I'm out here with Crimson in the background. All right, so that's your, and Silas too. Okay, they're just in the background, so don't mind the noise. All right, so we have ourselves 6 packs of Shiny Fates. So let's go through them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have 1 Charizard. So I love the artwork on these booster packs. One of my favorite, definitely one of my favorites. Ooh, cool. We'll save the Charizard for last. All right, we're gonna go at it and open one of these. All right. I know it's been a while. I feel like it's been forever for me to open some Pokemon cards, so it's definitely a blessing to be able to have this opportunity to open some Pokemon cards and be able to enjoy this with you guys and have you guys who be a part of this. So be sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Snapchat as silasandcrimson. All right, what's your energy? It's that Birch. Peckle. Shiny Fates is definitely my favorite. Oh, we got a Delirium Ponytail. Heck yeah, man. Heck yeah. Yes. Yan Mega, man, you're always in the picture. But yes, I've always wanted this card. So we got our hands on Shiny Galarian Ponytail. Super cute. Reminds me of My Little Pony, to be honest. I'll set that to the side. Okay, set this to the side.
I'm bored.
So 6 packs in 10. Yeah, that's not bad. I'm not gonna complain about that. A little rusty opening cards here. What's your energy? For the cold card, what's your energy? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's your energy? I'll say fire. Double dark. Alright. Go. Reverse hollow, Rowlet, and oh, what's that? Are you guys ready? Here we go. Oh yeah, Gym Trainer. It's funny because I was just looking on Facebook or Instagram. Someone had this, and I thought this. I was like, man, one day I'll get my hands on one, and power of spoken word. It happened. Speak it.
Yeah, Daddy, buy me this.
Yes. All right, so let's go ahead and open the next one. And guess what? My hand is not ashy, guys. Look at that, man. I cleaned up, man. Pampered up, you know what I mean? It's like my hand's all nice and pretty. Yeah, it's all moist. All right. Code card. 4 to the front. What's your energy? I say electric. Water. Forgot about H2O. H2O is really important. Make sure you stay hydrated throughout the day and always drinking water. Don't drink a lot of soda or coffee. All right. Reverse hollow Snom. Okay. And Zarude. All right. On to our next one. I'm just excited, you guys. I'm just excited for opening Pokemon tonight with you guys. So, all right. Water again, man. 2 in a row. All right. Eldegoss, Eevee, Nickit. And if we pull a shiny Charizard, I will flip out, guys. I will get so ecstatic. Yeah, inside the we were gonna be like, yeah. Ooh, shiny Galarian Mr. Ram. Oh, we got something. Ooh, yeah. Here we go.
It was the fish.
Shiny Charizard. Ah, Cramorant VMAX. Look at that, Silas. It's cool, huh? I love the artwork on this guy. I have, I think we got a couple of these already. But we will get a Charizard tonight, everyone. Don't give up yet. What? And so moist, I can't even open this card like I normally does. Dude, here we go. Cold card. What's show energy? Say fighting. Oh wait, no, grass. Dang. How about the grass? All right. Comment down below if you guys really enjoy opening shiny fates. I want to know because oh my god, we got another Eternatus VMAX. Man, he's always interrupting me when I have something important to say. Wow, so I just built a wall on the side. All right, look at that. This one is like perfect centering, guys. This one looks really cool. Huh? A little off centering, but heavy left to right. But yeah, I like it. Let's add that to the collection. So far, Shiny Fate is always really fun and open because you get all these amazing cards and so many babies shining, about 107 or something like that, or I think more. But definitely the gym trainer I like to collect. Really like this card. The VMAX are always awesome artwork, and the gold Eternatus card here, pretty cool. But let's not wait any longer. Let's summon that shiny Charizard and add that to our collection, shall we? Let's do this. Let's do this. Your cold card. All right, tonight's the night, guys. I'm feeling the vibe. Here we go. Here we go. Twacky, Rust the Shield, Uzio, Yanma, Trapinch, Nickit, Clossifleur, and okay. Oh, okay, no, okay. Maybe next time for sure, right? Let's go. Decidueye. Decidueye is a cool Pokemon, but not the Charizard we were looking for. But guess what, guy? All negativity aside and positivity on the front, we got some amazing pull. We first got the Galarian Ponytail, alright. And then the card I was going after, actually, Gym Trainer. Love it. Love the artwork, the texture, the print. Oh my god, this card is just beautiful in front of the eyes. Definitely, if you can get your hands on one, I say go for it. So, beautiful, beautiful card. I'm gonna add this to my collection. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon.